Hey guys, so today I'll show you how to do knotless braids on a child. So first of all, I moisturize her hair. As you can see, I have already parted her hair into different sections. So I moisturize and detangle her hair using the white tooth comb. I comb through all the tangles to ensure that my braid is smooth. So as you can see, the next thing I do is to add gel. And this is optional, but if you want to lay the edges and the perimeters of the hair, then you can use gel. So then I start my braids. So I'm doing a 3-strand plait, and when I've done a few stitches, you can do 2 or 3 depending on how you want it to be, and then you add the extension. So now I'm adding the extension underneath, and then I plait it together, and then I add it underneath again, and I plait it together. So this way it doesn't look like there's been any extension added. So you can check this video on how to do knotless braids as well, but I am going to show an even clearer video in the next few weeks on how to do knotless braids. So this is how I parted the hair, as I said earlier, and because she's a child, I'm not making it too small, I'm just making it slightly big so that it's not too much extension on her little hair. So I do the 3-strand plait, put the extension underneath and plait it together. Put the extension underneath and plait it together. So that's just how I carry on each braid. So I'm adding the extension underneath, and then I just plait it together. So you can add 3 times, 4 times, depending on the thickness you're trying to achieve. I was going for like the slim look. I wanted it to look as natural as possible, like she didn't have any extensions in her hair, and this is the reason I added it about 3 times on each braid. So all I do now is to plait it all the way to the end of the hair, and that's that braid done. So now I've changed the angle. I'm going on the side, but everything is pretty much the same. So you can part the hair how you think is best for you, but this was the easiest way because I didn't use a blow dryer. I just wanted to ensure that the hair was all detangled and parted so that my work was easier. So I use this Steinman brush to also straighten, like remove all the tangles as well as fluff and the rest, to ensure that the hair is quite stretched for me to do my braids. I find this Steinman brush really good. So I do my braid as usual with 3-strand plait, and you can watch a video on how to do the 3-strand plait here. And then I carry on. If you notice, I turn my hand around because that's the easier way to add the extension when my hands are well placed. So add the extension underneath. I add the extension underneath, and then I add the extension and plait it all the way down. So the reason I was pressing is because it was a bit wonky there, so I needed to kind of make sure that it was smooth. So sometimes you need a few tries to be able to get it right, but like I say, braiding takes patience, and if you're patient and if you persevere, you will get it right. So that's pretty much how to do the knotless braids. You basically put the extension underneath the braid and plait it in such a way that it doesn't look like there's been any extension added. I will do a close-up video. This was just a quick tutorial I did when I was braiding my daughter's hair, and I just thought I'll show you. I hope you learn a thing or two from this. So this is the last one. As you can see, I plait the hair, then I turn my hand around, and then I put the extension underneath. I braid it together, put the extension underneath, and I braid it together. And that's pretty much how to do the knotless braids. So as you see the braid, it doesn't look like there's been any extension added because of how I've attached the braid to the hair. So let me know if you want a close-up, slower, more detailed video of the knotless tend to do one anyway, but tell me what you would like to see. So this is the hair pretty much done. As you can see, you will say it's scanty, but I think it looks natural, and for a little girl, a 5-year-old, I think that's just enough hair on her head. Yeah, that is beads. I put beads at the end because she wanted it to look that way. And yeah, that's it. The girl looks excited to have this braids in. It was our long-term protective style that she had for a few weeks. And yeah, that's it. I'm going to show you her wash day after this braids, how we washed her hair, and the challenges we encountered. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.